Dear students, you are all welcome to Shahid Abdul Ali Academy. You are also welcome to my online class. Dear students, we are continuing our online classes for you. I hope you are well by the grace of Allah. I am also fine. Dear students, you are eagerly waiting for reopening your school, but our government has taken decision when the situation will be lessened, the COVID-19 situation will be lessened, then your school will be reopened again. Till then, continue with us with your class. I hope you will enjoy this class. Dear students, you are welcome to my online class. You know, this is my introduction and also classes introduction. I am Mohammad Muslimuddin, Assistant Headmaster with Abdul Ali Academy, Reserve Bazar Rangamati. This is class introduction, class 8, subject English first paper, Unit 1, Lesson 5, 60, 2002, 21. Dear students, after completing this lesson, you will be able to name the words and make sentences, justify true or false, ask and answer, short questions, write a paragraph. Now look at the pictures below. Students, what are you looking? These are vegetables and these are also vegetables. This is fresh vegetables and these vegetables are eaten after cooking. It is also cooked vegetables. Look at. Now our today's lesson is Bangladeshi cuisine. Dear students, you know a lot of vegetables are grown in Bangladesh because Bangladesh is an agricultural country. So we get various kinds of vegetables mainly in winter. Cuisine. Now we are learning some vocabulary. Cuisine. Look at the picture. System of cooking. Platter, plate or dishes. Molasses. You know which is molasses. Look at the picture. In Bangla we say gur. Trickle, molasses. Now listen to the text carefully. I am reading out it to you. Bangladeshi cuisine is rich and varied with the use of many spices. We have delicious and appetizing food, snacks and sweets. Boiled rice is our staple food. It is served with a variety of vegetables, curry, lentil, soup, fish, and meat. Fish is the main source of protein. Fishes are now cultivated in ponds. Also, we have freshwater fishes in the lakes and rivers. More than 40 types of fishes are common. Some of them are carp, rui, kapla, magur, catfish, stingray, prawn or shrimp, etc. Shutki or dried fishes are popular. Hilsa is very popular among the people of Bangladesh. Panta ilish is a traditional platter of pantha bhat. It is steamed rice, soaked in water and served with a fried fish fry, often together with dried fish, pickles, lentil soup, green chilies and onions. It is a popular dish on the Pahela Boishakh. The people of Bangladesh are very fond of sweets. Almost all Bangladeshi women prepare some traditional sweets. Pitha, a type of sweet made from rice, flour, sugar syrup, molasses and sometimes milk is a traditional by the entire population. During winter, Pitha Utsav, meaning Pitha festival, is organized by different groups of people. Sweets are distributed among relatives when there is good news like birth, wedding, promotions, etc. sweets of Bangladesh are mostly meat-based. The common ones are Rasgulla, Sandesh, Rasmalai, Gulab Jam, Kalo Jam, and Chom. There are hundreds of different varieties of sweet preparations. Sweets are therefore an important part of the day-to-day life of Bangladeshi people. Dear students, I hope you have listened the text very carefully. Now I am going to the next slide. Look at some pictures. Look at them. Now we are going to make some sentences with the word cuisine, platter, and molasses. Cuisine. Bangladeshi cuisine is rich. Look at this picture. There are vegetables, meat, and biryani. Platter. We use platter for eating. Some people look at the pictures. A family is using platters for their eating. Molasses. Molasses is made from date juice. Here is a garden of dates. You see date juice is collected from this tree. After boiling it, molasses will be made. Now I am going to the next slide. Now you have some work. Dear students, take your exercise book and write this work in your exercise book. When your school will reopen again, then we will examine your work. Individual work. Answer the following questions. What has made Bangladeshi food so special? Number 2. Where do we get the fishes from? Number 3. Apart from fish, what other food do we eat with rice? Number 4. Why are sweets an important part of our life? Dear students, I am going to the next slide. Look at the pictures below. Look at the picture. There are a lot of fishes in this picture. You know the name of these fishes, I hope. These are hilsa fish, worm fish, catfish, and another various kind of fishes in the picture. Now look at the second picture. There are chicken roast. I hope you like this chicken roast very much. Now I am going to the next slide. Look at the pictures below. Here are also some pictures. This is spices. In Bangla, we call them mosla. Various kinds of spices in this picture. Now look at the second picture. A dish of hilsa with panta. Potato chops are given in this plate. Some onion also cut and green chili are also in the dishes. This also served in Pohela Boishakh, Panta dish, we call them. Dear students, now I am going to the next slide. Look at the pictures below. Here are some pictures. In picture number 1, we see, what are you looking at the picture? What do you see? I hope you give. These are pita. In English, it is called cake. In picture number 2, we see sweet. That is very delicious food in Bangladesh and everyone likes it. Want to eat it. Now I am going to the next slide. Now you have also another work. Read the text again. Identify true or false. If false, find out correct answer. Our foods are rich because they have a lot of varieties. If it is true, write true. If it is false, write false. We get protein mostly from fish. Number 3. Pita Utsav takes place almost all the year round in Bangladesh. Number 4. Sweets are much appreciated by the people of Bangladesh. Dear students, which one is true and which one is false? Now we see. Number 1 is true. Here is C beside this sentence. Number 2. This is also true. We get protein mostly from fish. Number 3. This is false. Correct answer is Pitha Utsav takes place in winter. Dear students, now number 4. Is it true or false? It is also true. Sweets are much appreciated by the people of Bangladesh. Dear students, I hope you have written these sentences in your exercise book, and I hope you will learn these true false. I am going to the next slide. This class is also about to finish. Now write a homework. Dear students, write a paragraph on food and food habits of Bangladeshi people. Write down this work in your exercise book and write a paragraph on food and food habits of Bangladeshi people. I hope you will be able to write this paragraph if you listen to the text very carefully. And this message is given in your textbook. It is read again and again, then you will be able to write this paragraph. Dear students, I hope you have enjoyed this class and you learned something from this class. We will be happy if you learn something from our classes. Dear students, keep yourself clean and happy when you go out. Take wear mask on your face. Then when you come back in the house, wash your hands with soap or hand wash. Use hand sanitizer if possible. Keep away from gathering. Keep yourself as possible as clean and tidy. Keep your family tidy, also your surroundings clean and tidy. I hope you will be happy and we will be also happy. So let me finish here. Thank you. See you again. See you again. Thank you very much.